Well, good morning or good afternoon or good evening, whenever you're watching this. Those first two clips, those were taken a few days ago as of the time I'm making this video. It hasn't really snowed much the past 5-6 days, even though, or well, 4 to 5 days actually, because we had freezing rain and then it snowed a little more and then it just hasn't really snowed since. But snow is still here on the ground, and I guess in a couple days or so we're supposed to get some more snowy weather, and I'll show you guys here in just a sec. Yeah, let's check the weather real quick. Yeah, this is my new phone. I got it this past weekend. My other phone's right there. I'm gonna keep that for recording purposes because that one takes better video than this one does. It's a good phone and all, but yeah, today it's supposed to not be too bad. 32 is a high. That's not bad. Then come on tablet, here we go. Yeah, looks like Tuesday we have a 90% chance of rain, and then it's gonna turn to snow. So that rain we're gonna get at first, it's, when it starts to cool down, it's gonna make everything icy. Yeah, 39 degrees though, that's not bad. Well, yeah, it's gonna rain and then turn to rain snow mix by 9 p.m. tomorrow night, then turn to snow. So yeah, sorry if you hear my sniffling nose. I've been dealing with a stuffy nose lately, but yeah, good chance of snow for a couple days at least, and then it's gonna get a little sunny. Alright, well, it's next day now. We got some rain coming in, and then that's, afterwards the snow is gonna roll in. Clouds are darker that way. I think that's the beginning of the rain. We'll get a better view of the clouds here in a little bit, but yeah, right now we are under a winter storm warning. I guess we're supposed to get a crap ton of snow, which is gonna be interesting. Alright, apologize if this clip looks a little shaky, but the clouds further that way, they get a little dark. Can't really tell, unfortunately, because of the shakiness. The reason why I'm out and about right now is because I'm trying to take care of some things before the winter storm rolls in, so I'm getting that done now. Alright, well, I'm coming back from Kalamazoo right now. That last clip I was actually headed to Bangor, but that was mainly to grab me something to drink and something to eat real quick. And right now it's still kind of clear, but it's only a matter of time before the rain rolls in, and then we're supposed to get that snow. So yeah, luckily the weather's nice at this point. Definitely got to gas up for tomorrow. Word of advice. Oops. Always make sure you have a full tank of gas when there's about to be snowy weather coming in. You'll be glad you did. Well, it's starting to rain now. Good thing I just got done cleaning out my truck. I mean, I didn't clean it out all the way because there's still some stuff to do, but the rain is picking up now. And one of the dogs are spying on me. Hi, Charlie. But yeah, it's starting to rain. I always stand my wipers up anytime there's a snowstorm getting ready to come in. And I always back my truck up too, because it's easier to pull out when it's snowing like crazy. Not only that, but when a plow comes through here, it usually throws snow at the end of our driveway, which can make it a little more difficult to pull out. So pulling out isn't as hard when you back in. Yeah, it's gonna get super muddy over here. It's already mud puddles. A lot of it's from the melting slush. It's gonna get real messy over here once the snow hits. And they were working on the train signals. There was about to be a train going by, but I think it stopped. So they're doing some work. And holy shit, is that guy driving fast. Speed limit through here is 35, dude. Man. I guess that work truck actually broke down. That tow truck's towing it out. There it goes. Man. Man. Got a big ass mud puddle forming right there. That is insane. Crap, I think that guy has a dead battery. Oh, would you look at that? It's not even snowing yet. Oh, man. Was not expecting that. Alright, it is the next day now, and it is snowing. Looks like we got a decent amount of snow, too. I'll have to check and see how much snow we got here in just a little while. Best way for me to tell is, check and see how much is on my truck. Man, I was just outside shoveling, and it doesn't even look like it shoveled. I bet you some of you probably wouldn't believe me if I told you I just got done shoveling. That's how bad it's snowing out right now. Hang on a sec. Yeah. I'm sure a lot of you guys know this, but for those who don't know, sorry about that noise. So a lot of times when roads are showing orange, it usually means traffic is moving slower than usual, or road conditions are just really bad. And this road right here, which is County Road 380 in Breedsville, Michigan, just northeast of Bangor, it's snow covered. Right now, plows are out like crazy trying to get as many of the roads as they can, But, yeah, if traffic is moving really, really slow, or road conditions are just really, really bad, then it'll often show red. But, if road conditions are not bad and traffic's moving just fine, it'll show, green.
Do you want to take a chance and get stuck? Doesn't look like Davey or plowed anything more recently.
Yeah, no kidding.
Plowed recently, it's so bad.
I mean, I saw one plow earlier, but that was like probably 2 hours ago. I know, I shoveled the driveways and it didn't even, it's snowing so hard it doesn't even look like I shoveled. Yeah, I always ride with my lights on if it's snowing like this.
Damn bird, you fucking get in a car smashed by a car, it's your fault. Staying in the center of the road.
I don't blame him. Oh shit, that might be why. That's Rob. Yeah.
I didn't think Rob had a black truck.
It used to be green, but he painted it.
He painted it?
Yeah, or somebody did.
Because I'm looking for somebody.
I'm holding my job.
Damn, M43 is a mess.
I think I would have rather took back ways just because I can handle snow better than I can ice.
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive is great and all, but not on fucking ice.
Yeah. Oh, that guy up ahead's riding with his four-ways. That doesn't surprise
And I
me.
think they shut it down.
I honestly think they need to just shut that highway down anytime there's a snowstorm coming through, because every time we get snow like this.
Your dad was telling me there's this one down south, they created an emergency. They got 1.5 inches of snow, so they put a state of emergency in because they're not used to any snow.
Yeah.
And they shut their highways down. There was no wrecks, but they shut them down, so there wasn't. But this guy from Michigan got on. There was a cop waiting at the overpass. He let him go. And then a cop's up ahead, flagged him off. And then they let him go. And the one cop was like, yeah, he's from Michigan. He knows how to drive in this stuff.
Yeah.
He's got Michigan plates, so he knows what he's doing. Like my friend Louise, that lady I used to take care of, her daughter lives in Marietta, Georgia. Well, they got snow one year. And they said they put a state of emergency. I think they got 3 inches or something. And she was talking about how her daughter said there was all kinds of cars pulled off the side of the road freaking out because they didn't know how to drive in it. And here she is just bobbing and weaving in between these people and going on. They're looking at her like, what the?
Oh, that's
She's like,
hilarious.
Michigan girl, I know how to drive this shit.
Yeah. Holy crap. Some of those power lines back there were hanging pretty low.
Yeah, probably got the weight of the snow and ice on them. Like that one, I think that's lower than it usually is.
That light?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is. Well,
It's lower.
yeah, it kind of is. I think what they should, yeah, see, it's hanging low past those trees.
It's because of the ice and stuff.
Yeah.
I want one of those so bad.
You talking that puppy?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, I want one of those.
So I went out Google looking to see if I can find one that looks like that.
Yeah. Well, I know every time they get a dog, they go,
Travel
Either-
far.
yeah, like I said, they live all the way in Alpena, but I think one of the dogs they got was, I think, Holly, Michigan, which is south of Flint.
I know one was. They said that they've been on traveling for 22 hours or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that sounds like Cheryl. Listen to Cheryl talk. It sounds just like
Yeah.
Do they not have kids? Is it just the dogs?
I am not sure, in all honesty.
What do they do? Something just ran in front of that truck up there.
Yeah, I saw that.
I didn't see that. You can see like shadow or something. In this area is where that one piebald deer is, that one that's white and brown.
Yeah, I saw a Facebook post about that, I think a couple months back.
Yeah, there it is in this area.
Yeah, and then one of my great uncles was telling me about it.
Probably the one that lives through here. Doesn't he live down here?
Yeah, just I think a mile or two up. He lives kind of where this road curves.
And that's Steve.
Yeah. Yeah, Rick and Lori live in town Paw Paw, and then Steve and Terry live just outside of Paw Paw. On this road, as a matter of fact. I know.
I took my foot off the gas, like. I don't understand why they widen the road so much like that. It's not even that wide when you're driving regular.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, they probably do it so that you'll probably pull off and traffic still go through.
Yeah, it's possible.
And I watch how they go under the ice in the ocean to dredge gold, and I'm like, fuck that. I don't want to be in the ocean without ice, let alone with fucking a thick ass layer of ice above my head, and then you can't see nothing in there. It's dark and eerie, you know. God only knows. I mean, is there sharks there? They have to be. And yeah.
Well, where'd you say this was?
Bering Sea.
Oh, yeah, I think there is.
Yeah, so that's the ocean up there, and then they said that.
What are those?
Snowmobiles, but I'm gonna say, look, they park at Tractor Supply.
I didn't think you could park here for snowmobiling.
What the fuck does he got on the back of that?
I
Wow.
think it's a Salter or something like that. I don't know.
Mom, where are we going to get the pizza at?
Little Cedars.
Oh, that's a new Channel 3 car that just went by.
Yeah, they're probably video streets and shit.
It's all the way down to St. Louis as well. Kansas City as well. Damn. What highway is that? Sorry, guys. I know this doesn't look too well on camera. I-70, I believe. Yep. Man. So, yeah, that's kind of why I focus on road conditions, you know, I mean, to get an idea on how the roads are and how traffic is, you know, I mean, I always look at it like if I have to go somewhere, which I don't plan on going anywhere today, hopefully, you know, because I'm not really up for driving right now, but, I mean, if nothing else, you know, I mean, my truck handles pretty good in the snow, but still, you know, if I ain't got to go anywhere, then I try not to, especially if the weather is bad. Surprisingly, I'm surprised the Upper Peninsula of Michigan's not getting hit, though. And Traverse City area, that's surprising. Doesn't look like it's worse north of Clare and Ludington. That's pretty surprising. Looks like it stopped snowing for the moment. Alright, this will probably be the last clip I add to this video, other than a time-lapse clip that I did a few days back of the rain. I mean, the clouds look darker in the distance, but I don't want to make this video super long, so I'll probably end it here. You know, if it does start snowing, maybe I'll take some more videos and put it into a different video. But yeah, got a good amount of snow. There's a lot of snow in that dump trailer and the wooden trailer. Snowed pretty good. Not as much as I thought, but it snowed pretty good. There goes another pickup truck with a plow on it.